Hi, Phil here from Mr. Mechanic. Looking for a reliable warehouse forklift? Check out this fully refreshed 3,000-pound capacity three-wheel Toyota electric forklift. This clean, freshly repainted unit features a wide-view mast. It comes equipped with a three-stage mast, offering a maximum lift height of 189 inches, 480.06 centimeters, and a lowered height of just 82 inches, 208.28 centimeters. What makes this forklift stand out is a feature you don't often find on a three-wheel electric forklift. It comes equipped with solid pneumatic tires. These tires provide superior traction when operating outdoors in snow or rain, giving you added versatility without sacrificing indoor performance. This unit also includes a side shift, making every lift easier and more efficient. Come down and see it for yourself before you buy. This forklift has been fully serviced, certified, backed by warranty, and is Phil approved. For more information, give us a call at 905-275-8072. Mr. Mechanic, big enough to help, small enough to care.